phone knows exactly when you feel most vulnerable. You are scrolling late at night. Maybe you had a heavy dinner or just a really long day. Suddenly, a sleek ad pops up on your feed. It promises a secret from halfway across the world. A tiny patch is all it takes. You stick it on your stomach. You go to sleep. You wake up lighter. It sounds like magic rooted in ancient tradition. They call it the Japanese melt patch. It features names like exotic mint and bitter orange. It leans heavily on the idea of cultural purity and herbal wisdom passed down through generations. The marketing is relentless. It follows you from app to app. It shows glowing reviews from people who look like they just stepped out of a fitness magazine. But let us look at the actual biology. Your skin is not a wide open door. It is a protective fortress. Its entire job is to keep things out of your body. The Federal Trade Commission even looked into this. They brought in a panel of scientists to answer one question. Can you actually lose weight through a patch? The verdict was clear and unambiguous. While transdermal delivery works for some medicines, it does not work for fat loss. You cannot simply soak up a herb and expect it to dissolve adipose tissue through your pores. It is a biological dead end. But the story gets much darker than just wasted money. When you dig into the databases of health fraud, you find a terrifying pattern. Some of these products are not just herbs. They have been caught hiding a controlled substance. This chemical was yanked off the market over a decade ago. Why? Because it causes strokes. It causes heart attacks. It spikes your blood pressure to dangerous levels. These companies are wrapping a cardiovascular hazard in a beautiful, exotic label. They tell you it is all natural. They tell you it is safe. Meanwhile, they are putting your heart at risk for a quick buck. Not a single one of these patches has ever been approved by government health authorities. Not even one. The manufacturers have been fined millions of dollars. They have been banned outright in many cases. Yet, they just change the name and launch a new ad campaign with a different aesthetic. It is a cycle of predatory marketing. They sell you a dream of effortless change because they know we are all tired. They use the mystique of a specific culture to build instant trust and credibility. But there are zero peer-reviewed studies to back them up. There is no science here. Only clever branding and expensive photography. Real weight loss is a complex metabolic process. It happens on the inside through nutrition and movement. It does not happen because of a sticker on your navel. You deserve better than a beautifully packaged lie. You deserve to keep your hard-earned money and your long-term health. Every time you see an ad that promises a shortcut that seems too good to be true, it usually is. Ask yourself who truly benefits from that transaction. It is never the person wearing the patch. It is always the person selling the illusion. We have to be more skeptical of these viral trends. The influencers getting paid to promote these things do not care about your blood pressure. They care about their commission. If a product claims to do the work for you while you sleep, it is a scam. Keep your wallet closed. Keep your heart safe. Do not let a clever ad campaign trick you into ignoring basic human biology. Your body's a masterpiece of engineering. It does not need a mystery sticker to function. Stay curious and stay cautious out there.